Good morning, everyone. My name is Jayashudha. I am dealing with art and craft. Children, do you know about Dumbo elephant? The flying elephant. The Dumbo is the flying elephant. What's the special in Dumbo? Have a ears. With that ears, he can fly. The flying Dumbo elephant is faces many problems after his birth. However, finally Dumbo met his mother. The story was happily ended. So today I'm going to draw the flying Dumbo elephant. Are you ready? Okay, children. Now I'm drawing Dumbo the flying elephant. The first step is first draw one small circle. From here, draw another big circle, like oval shaped circle. From this circle, from here, draw one V shape, V letter. Draw here V letter. Now it is look like a M shape. From here onwards, draw one small line and draw another line. It is look like a water flowing. Water flowing. And draw one another small curve and close this curve with line. And draw another curve, another water flowing curve. The end of this curve line, here I am drawing mouth of the Dumbo. Just draw U-shaped curves. And draw another U-shaped curve. And close this here with a small line. Now it is the Dumbo's mouth. Now I am drawing here ears, the flying ears. Start from here. From here to I am drawing with a curved line. See here, curved line. How it is look like? U. Reverse U. I am closing this U with straight line. Again here I am drawing another curve. Okay. From here, draw another line like outline of the ear. Okay. One ear is completed. Next go for another ear. Same like that. I'm starting with curve shape. How it is look like? Same U shape. Again I'm closing this with a line, with straight line. Again starting with curve shape. Okay. Now I am drawing here. So here rub this extra lines. Now I am drawing here eyes. Round shape, oval shape, egg shape, like egg shape. Okay, and this eyes, again draw one curve, two curve lines, one curve and one circle, one curve and circle. Just draw the three lines of upside for eyes. and draw eyebrows. Here just rub this line. Almost face is completed. Next, here I am drawing like coat for the Dumbo, like dress. Just draw curves, jigsaw curves. That's it. It is look like a dress. From here, we have to draw legs for Dumbo. Curve line. Just curve line. Another curve line. Almost elephant drawing, we are drawing with curves. This is the stomach of Dumbo. Here draw another curve line like this. Here another curve line. Okay, two legs are completed. Here up this extra part. Next, third leg. I'm drawing here third leg. I'm starting from here. Middle, edge of the body. Draw one curve line and this like this, and again start just a small curve line and circle shape. Another line and complete this line with the back of the elephant. Okay, this is stomach. Complete this line like this. So elephant have 4 legs. Now we have to draw another leg. Here I am drawing another leg. Just draw oval shape and one line like this. That's it. And last we have to draw tail for Dumbo elephant. For legs we have to draw nails. Here I am extending some. Just simple nails. Just U shape. Reverse U. Just reverse U. That's it. It is very easy. Just reverse U. Like M. Okay, no problem. You can use M letter also. That's it. Okay. Now rub this extra parts, all extra lines. Okay, here also draw one line for ear. Like this. Just curve line, small curve line, that's it. Okay, Dumbo elephant drawing is ready. Now I'm going to shade this elephant. For shading, we have to hold the pencil like this. Hold like it and do the shading. just share this outline of the Dumbo here. Same shade like here also, and for stomach everywhere we have to do shade. See. Okay, now take one small rough paper like this and fold like this and spread this pencil shade with paper like this. Okay, like this we have to do all. Now rub this excess part. Okay, children, after this, just dark the outline of the Dumbo elephant like this. Okay, guys, the Dumbo elephant drawing and shading is completed. I hope you understand how to draw elephant. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye.